Front kick.
Front kick.
There you go. Front kick. All right.
Front kick.
One more time.
Oh, big kick. Punch.
It's okay.
Do I keep going?
We'll start here.
Sorry.
We're thrilled today to be able to bring this level of awareness to the Roane State faculty and staff in regards to the active shooter presentation. We try to give this at least 3 times a year to both our staff, students, and faculty, as well as the awareness program to anybody else that would ask us for it. All of our police officers are Tennessee Post certified in their instruction, and our partnership with Oak Ridge Police Department has been absolutely outstanding in trying to present this active shooter run, hide, fight as an awareness program for any event that would necessitate somebody having awareness of an unusual event around them.
Again, we're not hitting hard, we're just getting emotion. That's all punches. You want to go ahead and get 4 up here? We'll go through them as I go through them.
Absolutely. He's in. Out of roll, 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 out of roll. Okay.